Hi, my name is Aaliyah, and today I'm going to be showing you one thing that you can do during quarantine, which is write a thank you letter to someone who works at a hospital to thank them for everything that they are doing right now. First thing that you can do to spice up your card is get some magazines that you don't want to read anymore and some scissors and cut out some fun little pieces like flowers or bright pieces of art that you would want to put on a card. All you need is paper, scissors, and markers, and then you can decorate the front of your card and then write thank you or something friendly on the front. And remember to write a message on the inside that thanks them for everything that they're doing right now. You can also write a card to anyone. It doesn't have to be someone who works at a hospital, like your family, your grandparents, or elderly neighbors, or people who live in senior homes, whatever you want. Once you finish writing your card, just get an envelope and stick it inside, put a stamp on, and send it off to your nearest hospital or clinic.